This is our little garden. Cucumbers. And I think that is watermelon at the end. Not sure. No, watermelon over here at the end. And this is cucumber. And that over here is too.
Cucumbers, look at these things here.
Yeah.
See that? Looks like to me if there was a fence, they would actually climb it.
Probably would.
I didn't know they were that kind. They would climb. But they look like they'd climb to me. Those two.
Yeah.
I think those down yonder are some more cucumbers. So I think that hole in there is cucumber.
No.
This one's cantaloupe. Well, except for that one.
Plant there looks like a tomato plant at the end.
You filming?
I know. Be fine.